everybody. How is all going? We got the fish. We got the fish a new air pump. It's not running at the moment. It runs for 10 minutes out of every hour, so it's off for 50 minutes and runs for 10 minutes, and it does that 24 hours a day. And the other one was just solar powered, and it didn't run at night of a night time at all. And the fish seem to be a lot happier with having air of a night time. They're not coming to the surface to breathe. There seems to be a lot more air in the water. All right, so we're getting slowly everything ready. I mean, we go and pick up the camper trailer on the 17th. The utes getting ready slowly. We've got the boxes on the sides already. We've got the cameras installed and the electric brakes for the trailer. We've installed a storage toolbox in the back. So that's coming along nicely. We bought our HEMA road maps. I'll show you those inside. Also, you remember a while ago I told you I was going to get something built to take the AC ripple out of the DC side of the inverters. Alright, that's built, that's inside on the table. We'll go have a look at that. We had a marvellous day yesterday, celebrating my wife's birthday. We went to a lovely spot down the coast. That video I will attach to the end of this video. I got her a Ken & Kemmer for her birthday. There it is there. It's there is it? There's a model number and everything there. Well, focus. And okay. It's pretty awesome. It's got a 40 by zoom. All glass lenses. It's very heavy, very heavy. She totally loves it. Okay, now also there's the device that takes the AC ripple out of my DC side. Now, Sharp Energy Investments, Troy there is the man that built that for me. Now, they've got these in their new inverters which are about to hit the market soon, I hope. I've been waiting long enough. Basically, it takes the AC ripple, stores it and turns it into pure DC, and then if there's a load on, if you start something, it then feeds that stored energy back to try and even out the battery sag and that, you know, not that I get much battery sag because of the way my system's wired, but this comes standard in their new inverters, like I said, totally awesome. And Troy had one of these laying around he sent me. As you can see, it's been well and truly used for the camper. He said this will monitor your batteries in the camper. It'll hold, I don't know, 7 or 10 days or something worth of data that I can download on my iPad or me other notebook, me clone one in there. So that's going to be interesting to see. I've already downloaded the app, so I've just got to get the trailer and get all that sorted. My HEMA maps. Now, if you're ever coming to Australia, or you're just interested in Australia, HEMA maps are the way to go. Now, this is a great desert tracks maps. There's one, you can pause it and read that. Desert tracks, okay. Simpson Desert, that's all that's in there. Okay. Then we've got the central sheet. Okay, that's got the Nullarbor, Googs Track, Annie Bedell Highway, Anne Bedell Highway, Tamanai, yeah, awesome tracks in there. And this is the Eastern Sheet's got the Strzelecki track and the Simpson Desert and Plenty Highway and the Channel Country, Hay River track, awesome. Okay, these are just some of the places we're going to be heading, by the way. And then we got the West Australian Road and Four-Wheel Drive Atlas. And this thing is just packed full of information, roads seldom travelled, which is the ones we'll be taking. Okay, there's the Gibber, or the Gibson Desert. Alright, and a little sandy desert over there. Awesome. Yeah, if you're coming to Australia and you don't want to get lost, awesome maps. And then we've got the Great Desert Tracks edition. Okay, as well as books. So anyway, that's if you want to come to Australia and do some off-roading, then I would highly recommend both of these books. And if you want to go into the desert country, these give you a more detailed look. Alright, they got water points, they got everything in them. Awesome maps by, and these people actually drive the roads they map. That's how they can keep them updated. It's a glorious day. This is where I brought my wife to celebrate her birthday lunch. Beautiful, isn't it? This is another little cove not far. There's lots of little points like this, and there's a few cars parked at every point and a few people. And this is beautiful to swim here. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. There's something to keep you warm on the winter nights. Keep safe, everyone. Bye for now.